Hey guys, the Gadget God here with another video tutorial. Now my alarm on my iPhone goes off every morning and I always thought it was way too loud. Like I don't know what the heck was going on, and I could never change the volume of my alarm. That's from my clock app. I could just never change the volume when this went off in the morning. It was always way too loud, and I wish I could change it so that it went off maybe at a quiet-ish volume, so I don't wake anybody else up and it doesn't scare me awake. So I finally figured out how to do it. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it took me this long, and I'm gonna show you right now. So you don't change the volume of your alarm in the alarm app. You don't do it in here. What you do is you actually go to the settings app and then go to sounds and haptics. And there it is, right there. Ringers and alerts. This is the volume of your alarm, and it even shows you if you change the volume right now. So this is normally how loud my alarm is when it goes off in the morning. And I want it to be like this loud. So this is where you go to change the volume of your alarm in the morning. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it took so long. I never looked into this very deep, but this morning I woke up because my alarm scared me awake. I was like, what the heck? I actually, I cursed. I feel bad about it, but I admit it, I'm sorry. I said a swear word because my alarm scared me awake. It was so loud. And then I just went into settings. I was like, there's gotta be something in here. And there it was, ringers and alerts. Now when my alarm goes off tomorrow morning, it's gonna be just loud enough to wake me up, but not so loud that my head explodes and then I can't make it to work because I died. If you ever wanted to pick a custom song for your alarm as well, you can check out my other videos. Here I have some actual MP3 songs that I loaded onto my phone. So check out my other video on how to have any real song be the alarm on your iPhone. Quick and easy tutorial on that as well, so check out my other videos. So that is just a quick tutorial for you guys on how to change the volume of your alarm in the morning. Let me know if you have any other questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click subscribe to join the Gadget God squad. And if you didn't know already, I'm the Gadget God. I do research so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have your alarm go off at the correct volume tomorrow morning.